When we talk about functional academics, the concept of functional is कि जो भी पढ़ाया जाता है, जो भी concept पढ़ाया जाता है वो बच्चे के लाइफ में फंक्शनल हो, राइट? लेकिन हम सीधा रीडिंग, राइटिंग और नंबर्स पे जंप नहीं कर सकते हैं. उसके पहले हमको कॉन्सेप्ट सिखाना है. जैसे हमको कलर, साइज में बिग एंड स्मॉल, colors में usually red, blue, green, yellow, blue, and some other colors, but mostly the primary colors and maybe the secondary colors. And then you also look at things like full and empty, long and short, fat and thin, more or less, and front or back, like positional जो opposites हैं, concepts. And all these concepts, why are they important? They are important for numeracy, to understand the concept of numeracy. जब हम numbers के बारे में बोलते हैं, numbers, numeracy is not just knowing the numbers. It is also to do with quantification. It is to do with understanding कि numeral has a quantity attached to that, right? So the number 1 means one object, number 2 means two objects. So for the child to understand quantification, he has to understand the concept of big and small. He has to understand the concept of more or less. He has to understand the concept of full or empty, right? Because when you talk about 0, and 0 means nothing, so he will not understand what nothing is if he doesn't understand what empty is, right? So all these are concepts that are related to each other. So he has to, you have to teach them prerequisite skills. Prerequisite as in जो basic skills हो, वो पहले सिखाना है, उसके बाद आपको बाकी skills सिखाना पड़ता है. Otherwise they'll get stuck there because they will not have the basic understanding of why something means a particular thing.